This video will guide you through replacing the front and rear derailleur shift cables of the L-TWOO mechanical group set. Press the release levers on both shifters until they stop. Rotate the crankset to release the gears. Flip back the rubber cover of the shifter to expose the cable exit. If covered by tape, remove it. Cut the rear derailleur cable using a cable cutter and remove the cable end cap. Loosen the cable clamping screw with a 5 mm hex key. Push the shift cable forward and use tweezers to pull it out from the shifter's cable exit port. Check the bottom of the shifter, locate the cable end, and use tweezers to pull it out. Insert the new shift cable into the shifter. Pushing it through and pulling it out completely. Feed the new cable into the shift cable housing and push it slowly through the housing completely. Pass the cable through the adjustment barrel and cable hook. For rear derailleurs without a cable hook, skip this step. Tighten the shift cable, pass it through the clamping screw, and use a 5 mm hex key to tighten it. Leave 5 cm of excess cable, trim it, and install the cable end cap. Cut the front derailleur cable and remove the cable end cap. Loosen the clamping screw with a 5 mm hex key. Push the shift cable forward. Flip back the rubber cover. Check the bottom of the shifter, locate the cable end, and use tweezers to pull it out. Insert the new shift cable into the shifter, pushing it through, and pulling it out completely. Feed the new cable into the shift cable housing, pushing it slowly through. Tighten the shift cable. Ensure the barrel adjuster is touching the front derailleur. If the front derailleur has no barrel adjuster, skip this step. Pass the cable through the clamping screw and tighten it with a 5 mm hex key. Leave 5 cm of excess cable, trim it, and install the cable end cap. Flip the rubber cover back into place. Thank you for watching this video.